Hello guys, welcome back to Balkans. Today we're going to be going through Mischievous schemes. This is the fourth status stages for the Halloween event sort of thing, in which the rewards are Catamins. There are only 3 stages, one for Tree Catamin A, Tree Catamin B, and Tree Catamin C. These stages are relatively simple, however there are higher difficulty levels that can be quite tricky for some players. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.